You had your budget, Ugandans, of Uganda shillings 52 trillion. While I support that budget because there is no other solution in the short run, it is important to know, Honorable Kasaija talked about it, but it should be highlighted, to know that shilling 17 trillion of that budget is to pay debts. He talked about it towards the end of his speech. He talked about it, but it should be highlighted. The 52 trillion you are talking about, 17 trillion of it is to pay debts. Amabanja. Many of these debts were being pushed by the neo-colonial public servants until recently, when I put down my foot and insisted on approving every loan. That's why you hear that these loans take time now to be approved, because I insisted I must approve of every loan, external loan, because all this money was not worth borrowing. If you audit it, it was not borrowed for a good purpose. The way forward is that we should borrow less, and I'm glad the minister talked about that, or not to borrow at all. With the discipline, we do not have to borrow at all.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.